Hello students, welcome to RIMS Academy. In this video we will discuss graph of mod function. Okay, so let's start. So suppose we have a function y is equal to mod of x. Okay, mod of x की means होता है x and minus x. Okay, so it gives x when x greater or equal 0 and minus x when less than 0. Okay, so this is coordinate axis. Okay, and we draw a graph. This is y is equal to x. Okay, and this is and this is y is equal to minus x. Okay, this is y is equal to x, y is equal to x, and this is y is equal to minus x. Okay, we write y is equal to mod of x minus 0. Okay, so 0 is here a turning point. Okay, so 0 is a turning point. Okay, suppose we have a second function y is equal to mod of x minus 1. Okay, so this is coordinate axis. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay, and here turning point क्या है हमारा? Turning point is 1. Okay, x is equal to 1. So 1 is turning point. Okay, यानी this is 1. Okay, suppose this is 1, so this is turning point. Okay, so this is turning point. This is graph of y बराबर y is equal to mod of x minus y is equal to mod of x minus 1. Okay, so this is graph of y is equal to mod of x minus 1. Suppose we have a next function y is equal to mod of x plus 2. Okay, so turning point is minus 2. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 is our turning point. This is turning point. Okay, so this is turning point. So these are our axes. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 is our turning point. Okay, so this is, suppose this is our minus 2. Okay, so here this is graph of mod of x plus 2. Okay, actually we put x is equal to minus 2, so we get y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0. Okay, so this is x is equal to minus 2, and we get y is equal to 0, and x equal to 0, so we get y is equal to 2. Okay, so this is y is equal to 2. So this is graph of y is equal to x plus mod 2. Okay, now y is equal to mod of x plus 3. Okay, so these are our coordinate axis, y axis, and this is x axis. Okay, so here turning point is x equal to minus 3. Okay, So suppose this is our minus 3. Okay, so here we draw lines. This sorry, this, okay, x equal to minus 3, and this is a graph of y is equal to mod of x plus 3. Okay, because we put x is equal to minus 3, we get y is equal to 0. ठीक है, so in this x axis y is equal to, we get a 0, this is 0. Okay, is if x is equal to 0, then we get y is equal to 3. Okay, so this point is 3. Okay, so this is graph of y is equal to mod of x plus 3. Okay, suppose we have y is equal to x. ठीक है, तो इसका ग्राफ कैसे बनता है? दिस इज अ कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस, y axis, x axis, and this is graph of y is equal to x. Okay, so this is y is equal to x. Now if we draw y is equal to 2x, then y is equal to 2x sometimes go above. Okay, so this is y is equal to, this is y is equal to 2x, and if we draw y is equal to 5x, suppose y is equal to 5x, then it seems like this. This is y is equal to 5x. Okay, red color is y is equal to 5x. Okay, this is y is equal to 5x. If we draw y is equal to minus x. Okay, so y is equal to minus x, like this is y is equal to minus x. Okay, so y is equal to minus x. Now if we draw y is equal to minus 2x, then it's this is y is equal to minus 2x. Okay, y is equal to minus 2x, and we draw y is equal to minus 5x. So this is y is equal to minus 5x. Okay, y is equal to minus 5x. Now we come to the point, some new graphs. Okay, so suppose if we draw y is equal to 2x minus 4, 2x minus 4. Okay, 2x minus 4. So now we first draw coordinate axes. Okay, so these are coordinate axes, and this is y is equal to 2x. Yani first draw y is equal to x. So this is y is equal to x. Okay, this is y is equal to x. This. This is y is equal to x. Okay, so this is y is equal to x. Okay, now we draw y is equal to 2x. So in the previous graph we already discussed how we draw y is equal to 2x. So this is y is equal to 2x. Okay, so suppose this is y is equal to 2x. Okay, so this is y is equal to 2x. Now we have draw y is equal to 2x minus 4, so 4 less. Okay, so we come this point 4 less, so suppose this is minus 4. Okay, so this line copy this line y is equal to 2x comes here. Okay, and parallelly y is equal to 2x. So this is y is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, so this is y is equal to 2x minus 4. Okay, so this is y is equal to 2x minus 4. 4 less, it means 4 inside. Okay, now if we draw y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, so this is coordinate axis, and now this is y is equal to x. Okay, this is y is equal to x, and we have y is equal to this is 3x. So this is 3x. Suppose this is 3x. Okay, so this is 3x. Y is equal to 3x, and now plus 5. Okay, so this is, suppose this is plus 5. Okay, so we draw a parallel line to y is equal to 3x from y is equal to 5. Okay, so this is graph of y is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay, now someone says draw graph y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. Okay, so we draw coordinate axes. So these are coordinate axes, and now y is equal to this is minus 2x, so we draw minus 2x. So this is y is equal to x. Okay, and next is y is equal to minus 2x. So this is y is equal to minus 2x. Okay, so this is y equal to x, and this is y equal to minus 2x. Now this is y equal to 2x plus 5. Now plus 5, so this is plus 5. Okay, so this line is parallel to y is equal to minus 2x. Okay, now draw a line y is equal to 2x minus 2x and parallel to y is equal to minus 2x, and goes to y is equal to 5. So this is graph of y is equal to minus 2x plus 5. Now we learned here the linear equations graph. Okay, so now come to our topic. So we drawn modulus graph. Okay, so here suppose y is equal to mod of x plus 1 x plus 1, y is equal to mod of x plus 1 plus mod of x minus 5. Okay, so we, before drawing this graph, we learned some function defined. So suppose y is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3. So first we learn how to define these functions. Okay, so suppose this is a number line, and we have a two turning point here, 1 and 3. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 3. Okay, now we define function suppose we take 1 left side 1, so we take some value of left side 1, suppose 0. So put x equal to 0, it takes -1, it means negative. It means mod, if it's get negative, then mod open negative value, it means x -1 with negative sign, and put here 0, so this is also gives negative value, so this is also open with negative sign, x -3. Okay, and now this gives, if we put less or equal 1 value, okay, so x less or equal 1. Now if we put x less than 1 less than 3, okay, so if we take between these value, now we take 2, okay, so 2 minus 1, so this is positive, okay, so this is positive, it means positive as it is, so it will as it is. Now put 2, so 2 minus 2 minus 3, it means minus, so it comes minus signs, okay, so x -3, okay. Now take x when x greater or equal 3, okay, so take any greater or equal 3 value, let 3, suppose 3, okay, suppose 4, okay, so 4 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 1 is 3, so this is positive, so it comes as it is, s -1, and 4 minus 3 is, it's also positive, so it's come also as it is, x -3, so it comes here minus x minus 2x and -1 and plus 3, so plus 1 plus 3, so this is plus 4, okay, this is plus 4. Now when x less or equal 1, now x minus x cancel, -1 minus plus 3, so it's 2, -1 plus 3 is 2 when 1 less or equal x less or equal 3, okay. Now it's solved, so x plus x 2x and -1 and -3 is -4 when x greater or equal 3, okay. Now this is the method of defining function. So we take one more example and see how define function directly, okay. Suppose we have y is equal to mod x plus mod x minus 4, okay, this is mod, okay. So how we define, actually we define directly, okay, not this process, big process, okay. So turning point is 0 and 4, so first we take x less or equal 0, so we take -1, okay, so -1 it gives minus and -1 it gives minus, so minus x and minus x, -2x minus 4, okay, so it gives -2x and it comes minus, so minus plus, so it is plus 4, okay. Now x comes between 0 and turning point is 4, okay. So now we take in between 0 and 4 value, so we take 2, so 2 comes positive, and actually middle term comes middle term right, this is 4, so this is 0 here, so 4 minus 0, okay, so this is 4, so also comes 4, in the previous suppose this is 1 and this is 3, so 3 minus 1, so comes 2, so it comes 2, okay. Directly we can write here. Now the third value comes negative of this always, so negative -2x plus 4 comes, okay, so x greater or equal 4, this is obviously, okay. So as like this we also come to the our question and define the function. So we define like that. So here turning point is 1 and 5, so 1 less or equal x. So when x is less or equal 1, then we take any value 0. Okay, this is 1, this is less than 1, so 0 it comes negative sign, so it's negative, and it also comes with negative sign, so it also come with negative, so negative, so it is minus 2x, and it comes plus 1 and plus 5, so plus 6. Okay, now 5 minus 1 is comes 4 when x between 5 and 1. Now x is greater or equal 5, so it comes also this negative, so 2x minus 6. So these are the line. Now we drawn this. Okay, so first is minus 2x plus 6, so minus 2x plus 6, so this is y is equal to minus x, and this is y equal to minus 2x, and this plus 6, so this is suppose plus 6. Okay, so this is y is equal to, this is y is equal to minus 2x plus 6. Okay, so this is 6. Now here space is so now this is y is equal to 6. Okay, now we draw y is equal to 4, this is y equal to 4, so y is equal to 4, this is 6, this is y is equal to 4, suppose. So this is y is equal to 4. Okay, this is y is equal to 4. Now we draw 2x minus 6. Okay, so 2x minus 6, so this is y equal to x, this is y equal to 2x and minus 6, it means it comes goes from here, so this is y is equal to this is y equal to 2x minus 6. Okay, so actually we take when this is 1 and this is 5. Okay, actually when x is less or equal 1, so so we take this graph. Okay, we take this graph, x is less than 1, and now x equal to 4 between 1 and 5, so x equal to 4 between 1 and 5, and now take greater than 5, 2x minus 6, so this is 2x minus 6. Actually this graph called boat graph. Okay, boat graph. Okay, so this is boat graph. Now we draw some more graphs. Okay, suppose we have y is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3, so this is coordinate axis. Okay, now no, first we define function. Okay, so don't worry, we directly come. Okay, we directly do. So this is coordinate axis, these are coordinate axes. Okay, now first is y is equal to x minus 1. Okay, so this is always comes negative and this is negative. Okay, so we know this graph become like boat graph. Okay, so we directly drawn a boat. Okay, so suppose this is a boat, always draw boat. Okay, so this is boat. Now turning point is 1 and 3, so these are 1 and 3. Okay, so these are 1 and 3. So these are 1 and 3. Okay, this is 1 and this is 3. Okay, now we find this. Okay, so take less value, take less one value. So take 1, it means less than 1 takes 0. Okay, take 0, x equal to 0, so it comes 0. It means it is 0, so it comes negative, and here we take 0, so it comes also negative. Okay, so negative negative minus 2x, so y is equal to minus 2x, and it's become positive and it also become positive, so 2x plus 4. ठीक है, and this is negative, so y is equal to y equal to 2x minus 4, and 3 minus 1, so this is 2, so this is y is equal to 2. Now it's ready graph. Okay, suppose now we take some few more questions. Okay, suppose here y is equal to mod x plus mod x minus 2. Okay, now so we draw coordinate axes directly. Okay, and we know board graph. Okay, so turning point is y is equal to 0 and 2. So y is equal to 0 is here, so y is equal to 0 turning point, and y is equal to 2. So suppose this and this is 2. ठीक है, okay, so this is 2. Now this is 2. Okay, and this is y is equal to 2. Okay, so if this is y is equal to 0, this is turning point. Okay, so we take less value. ठीक है, this is less value, left hand. ठीक है, so we take x is equal to minus 1, so it gives minus, it means minus x, and it gives minus 1, so it gives also minus, so minus 2x, it means y is equal to minus 2x, and it becomes positive, minus minus plus, so 2x plus 2, and here y is equal to, it automatically negative of this, so y is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, and this is 2 minus 0, so y is equal to 2. This is graph of few modulus functions. Okay, now we take sum of 3 modulus function graphs. Okay, so here, so we saw few graphs like y is equal to mod of x minus 1. ठीक है, so how is this graph? This is this, it's become roughly. Okay, so this one turning point, this is y is equal to 1. Okay, so this is y equal to x minus 1. Okay, now y is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3. So this is board graph like this. Okay, now if we take y is equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 3 plus mod of x minus 5. Okay, now it's become like 3 turning point. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, so these are 3 turning points. Y is equal to 1. Okay, x is equal to 1, x is equal to 3, and x is equal to 5. Okay, so this is a graph of this similarly way. Okay, now find domain and range by graphically. So domain and range graphically. Okay, so suppose we have a function y is equal to mod of x plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 4. Okay, so first we draw graph of this. So this is axis, these are our axes. Okay, now we know here will come three turning point, x equal to 0 and x here now. Okay, so x equal to 0, x equal to 2. Okay, so x is equal to 2. Okay, now x is equal to -4, so x is equal to -4, and it goes like this. Okay, so these are three turning point. This is x is x is equal to 0, this is x is equal to 2, and this is x is equal to 4. Okay, now we find domain. So this graph goes, if graph goes like this and this, so this is domain, this is domain. Okay, and if graph like this, so this is range. Okay, here graph goes minus infinite to plus infinite, so domain of f is equal to r, real number. Okay, minus infinite to plus infinite. Okay, and range, so this is lowest point, this is lowest point. Okay, this is lowest point, and here x is equal to 2, so put x is equal to 2, so y gives y is equal to 2. Here 2 minus 2, 0, plus 0, plus 2 minus 4, it means minus, it comes with positive value, so plus 2. Okay, so this is 4, so y is equal to 4, so range of f is equal to 4 to plus infinite. Okay, it goes above, so range of f is equal to 4 to infinite. Okay, this is range. So thank you for watching video, and please subscribe the channel and share your friends. Thank you.